Hello, are you looking for an answer for baldness? Are you looking for a good place for hair transplantation? Then meet us at Cutis, and one-stop solution for skin, hair and nail-related problems. I'm Dr. Madura, the lead hair transplant surgeon at Cutis Academy, is here to answer you many of your queries on hair transplantation. Hair transplantation is an effective treatment for the baldness. It is a simple transfer of hair from back of your scalp to the front of the balding area without damaging your existing hair to give a natural results. What are the types of hair transplantation? There are two techniques of graft harvest. First one is a strip harvest and second one is an FUE technique. The only disadvantage of strip harvest is getting a linear scar, so many patients are reluctant for the procedure. Whereas FUE is popularized itself for its lesser downtime and an invisible scars and quick recovery time, and it enjoys being called as an advanced technique, and hence many patients opt for it. And there are variations for FUE like Bio FUE and DHI and many more which are given in the websites, but whatever may be the technique, the basic steps of FUE remain same and the results are always good in the hands of a good surgeon. Hair transplantation is an art. It is not just plucking the grafts from the donor area and putting it in the front. So it includes three important technical steps. The first step is harvesting the donor grafts from the back of your scalp from a predefined area with the help of a motorized punch without damaging them. And this is done only by the surgeons. And the second step is whatever the grafts have been harvested, they are segregated, counted, and then they are stored properly in the storage solution, and this is done by the technician. The third most important step is creation of a natural hairline done by the doctor, and then quickly all the grafts are implanted in the recipient sites. Yes, it is safe in the safe hands. And FUE is considered as a daycare cosmetic surgery. It is done under local anesthesia, and you come in the morning and then go back in the evening, and the whole surgery takes around 4 to 8 hours depending on the number of grafts. For the smaller grafts it takes around 4 to 6 hours, and for the larger grafts of more than 2000 it takes around 6 to 8 hours. So before enrolling you for the surgery, we do all the routine investigations and take a fitness from the physician, and then a thorough scalp examination and trichoscopic examination is done to calculate the required number of grafts for the balding area. So if all these steps are meticulously followed, nothing can go wrong in hair transplantation. There are three important things which you should be aware before deciding for a transplantation. The first thing is the place of surgery. Whether the place has well-equipped sterile OT and they have everything to manage the emergencies and they have good technical staff. The second important thing is about the surgeon. What is the qualification of the surgeon? What is the experience of the surgeon? And more importantly, you need to look for their series of results also. So only an experienced qualified surgeon is eligible to do the surgery, and he can harvest your grafts carefully without damaging, and then he can implant them very naturally to give a good results without any complication. The third important thing is about the team, because the hair transplantation is a teamwork. And what is the size of the team and what is their experience? Basically, the team is made up of one doctor or many technicians, and we at Cutis has a group of doctors and a very few technicians. And you also should be knowing who does what, like what doctor does and what the technician does. And the technicians are there only to assist the doctor, and the doctor is there to operate on the patient. When you walk into the Cutis, we examine you and then we look for the grade of baldness. In a very severe baldness, we directly suggest a hair transplantation. In a mild to moderate cases, we usually begin with a medical line of treatment to recover all your follicles, and later on, if any balding area is there, then we would suggest you the hair transplantation. All men and women baldness at any age is eligible for hair transplantation. Hair transplantation is also done for the eyebrow reconstruction, moustache and beard reconstruction, and also to treat the scars on the scalp. How Cutis is different, why you need to choose Cutis as a place for hair transplantation. We have 2 sterile OTs which are well equipped to manage all the emergencies, and we have a backup anesthesiologist around the clock. And in Cutis, the surgery is performed by group of doctors, and all the technical steps are done by the doctors, and the technicians are there only to assist the doctors, and all the doctors are qualified dermatosurgeons. The next important thing is our association is not for one day during the surgery. The association is for 6 to 9 months till you grow your hair. We hold your hands till you grow your hair completely, and we do the comprehensive management of both medical and surgical therapy. We are reasonably priced, and the charges are always for the graft and not for the follicles. So you should remember that graft is a group of hair follicles. So we charge only for the graft. You get back your transplanted hair in a span of 6 to 9 months, and these hairs are long lasting if they are chosen from the safe donor area. And maintenance with the medical line of treatment is more important for the existing hair, because the transplanted hair doesn't require any treatment, only your existing hair will require the treatment. So maintaining with the medical line of management will give a complete result. Hair transplantation is a one-time procedure in our lifetime. You're investing on your looks. You can't afford to have a bad results, an unnatural look. You must not repent whole of your life like why you got the transplantation done. So I usually consider your donor zone as an asset, and it has to be utilized properly to harvest a good number of graft. And the second most important thing is creation of a natural hairline, which we considered as a signature of a surgeon. So always select your surgeon and place properly whenever you're deciding for a transplantation. We at Cutis give an optimized best results of hair transplantation without any complications. Our goal is to make you look good and feel good. Meet us at Cutis. Thank you.